What is up? Just wake up. This is Smoky Bacon. Yeah, I'm gonna do another. Let's do Slither Challenge. My name. Yeah. It's not really Jeff. I'm gonna give away my. Anyway. Alright, so we're gonna try and survive. Oh, no, let's try and survive 10 minutes. Or maybe, yeah, 10 minutes. And see how long we can get. I'm only gonna do this. Let's only do it like 3 times. So I fail hard. Whoa, back off, dude. Back off. Pretty good. Pretty good. I know. Damn it. Thought I had him. Ooh. No. No. Wow, I'm 5,000 big. Well, he was just stupid. Alright, that's just like a tutorial on how to be stupid, that guy. Famous for it. Got him. That's what you get when you mess with Smoky Bacon. And of course, I nearly died. Always happens. 7,000. It's alright. My highest is 58. But that was on the AI. The AI are just... they're just, yeah, too easy. And... why is it... someone just like whiz in front of you? Well, I was 8th on the leaderboard. And that was like 2 minutes. 3. Something. I don't know. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna catch you a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go to the center. And I'm gonna whiz out of there. Oh shit. Oh damn. He's massive. Leaderboard just died. Oh, what a glitch. Man, that is gotta be the best glitch. Oh, he almost killed me there. He is dangerous. Alright, we are 2 of mass. He died. Alright. No, they're just stupid. Why? Where are all these people coming from? No. Not gonna happen, dude. Nah. Just nah. I'm not even near the center yet. My mission was to go. Alright, that is the worst glitch. I need to get rid of these ads. Just mod it. Alright. Yes, we started closer to the center. That was close. I am playing on Android, and yes, the controls don't work most of the time. Finger. I'm gonna try and get this dude. He's fairly large. He'll probably be like at least 10. Ah. Thought he was going for the kill then. He did! Alright, we're gonna do it one more time. Just one more. Because my name's Jeff. Alright. Let's do this thing. I'm gonna try and get 5,000. Maybe even bigger. Who knows? This server is glitchy as shit. Oh, that shit's even glitchy. I got one of my alone. One of my alone. Oh, I just killed a guy just by glitching. Glitching. They hate it. Trying to catch me glitching, daddy. Hey, that'd be an alright song. Some shit. Oh! He wasn't watching where he was going. You know what? Alright, that's all I'm gonna do for today. Just for the challenge done. Might come back for... Alright, subscribe for more. I'm gonna try and get 15 likes. Yeah. I'm gonna end the video here. Out. Bye guys.